Hi guys, so here is the end result. My awesome volume in my hair. I never have volume in my hair. I have really flat, thin hair, and this just gave me so much volume. So like I said, I really hate using more than one product or tool to do the same job. So that's why I really love blow drying with these and just being able to clip them in my hair instead of using Velcro rollers. And they stick in a lot better than Velcro rollers. I find like the rollers like slip out, whereas these, because they're a brush, they really stay in the hair. So Nola wants to join this video. So that is it. I will take some pictures and show you, and make sure that you use the code. It is 20% off, so it's worth checking out. Bye guys.